In the middle of my PhD, my advisor told me, hey, I'm running out of funding. So you need to go get an internship, go get a job, essentially. So prior to that, I didn't have any security experience, any particular interest in security, but I got the call from that team. And interestingly enough, I did a phone screen first. And in the phone screen, they said, hey, we're going to have you come in for an interview, look up. And I think they said SQL injection and cross-site scripting, which were two terms I'd never heard before. Like taking static analysis courses. And I thought, well, maybe I can apply this to the security space and program analysis, especially on Ruby and Rails. And so from there, I created a project. It's called Breakman, open sourced it at the end of the internship, and things kind of went from there. I would probably say the three main lessons I learned was don't spend too much on lawyers, which nowadays you don't need to anyway. It's all, you can just, there's services that will just do everything for you. Hire a salesperson and hire a UX person, which we did do that. It's an industry you can get into as long as you are interested and you have the desire to be a part of it. And you don't have to be coming in with previous knowledge of security. I met other folks there, and one of those folks, his name was Alex Mullen. He was working at Twitter, and he said, hey, you should stop by Twitter sometime, which I didn't know at the time was actually his code for, hey, come interview at Twitter. In fact, just one more anecdote, right? Everyone was very happy. They were getting paid a lot. It was very hard to find people. And I'll tell you, one of the things that I did, I went and looked at conference talks. Who's giving talks, right? Who's out there invisible? I can watch their talk, right? That gives me a sense of who they are, how, how they communicate. Yes, if you can find that thing that you're interested in and that gap where it's like, well, look, wow, no one's written up this documentation, or it doesn't seem like anyone's digging into this. I absolutely agree. That's a way of building up a profile, showing expertise, showing people you can learn, you can grow, you can communicate. And yeah, and I'm sure this has happened many times where you're like, well, I'm at a company and we use that technology. And look, you obviously know this technology because you've been writing about it, experimenting with it, you've been using it or contributing to it. They're going to want to talk to you, or they're at least going to be more inclined to talk to you. So, if you're looking for a challenge and you're looking to be involved in problems that haven't been solved yet, now's the time. Just got to be brave.